show you how pirates drive.
This should be as easy as taking candy from a baby.
Whee! Neat, eh, Hugs? Come on. Now it's your turn to be captain. Oh, goody, gosh.
And seaweed and plankton and skin divers and...
Swab that deck, Sea Bear Tugs. And over the side with that scummy water. Aye, aye, Captain Hugs.
Huh?
Tugs! Here we are, Bedtime Bear.
And seahorses, and mermaids, and mollusks.
You should always tell someone where you're going when you go off to play.
What?
A storm and a bad one. We've got to get back. Good thing we've got Grumpy Bear's carrying compass. Huh?
You mean you had the carrying compass, pajama breath?
We have to call off the search, Tenderheart. The cloud cars can't survive a storm like this.
They'll find a way home, Dear Bear. They've got to. Goodbye, and have fun. I just remembered. I don't have a boat anymore. Oh, yes, I do. I'm taking this boat. Everybody off.
Now, Swiftheart.
Are you kidding? With tight tummy muscles?
This cement will fix him good. I mean bad. 'Cause I'm so bad. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Yeah.
Huh? What?
Yuck!
Hey, what's happening? I can't move. Beasley, you won't get away with this. Cheaters never win.
Then how come I'm in the lead?
Cheat all you want, Beasley. You'll never stop Swiftheart.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, no.
I think that should stop Swiftheart for good.
1, 2, 3.
Now, Swiftheart.
All right, I guess I've given Beastly a long enough head start. Now it's time to feed Beastly some dust. Hey, Lotsa, you better slow down. I think I saw a speed trap up ahead.
Well, thanks for the tip, Swiftheart. I'll keep my eyes peeled.
Whoa! Care Bears, get ready to stare. Stare! Move out. That wall won't hold for long. Come on! Wow!
Get 'em up. Come on, move 'em out there, little stars. Hee-haw!
Oh, no! Hurry, Grumpy! Faster, Dave! Look out for that run! Whoa! Come on, Braveheart!
Hang on! We're coming!
Come on! Run for it! Whoa!
Oh, no, where are they?
I can't hold it.
Oh, boy!
You guys okay?
Yeah, we're okay.
Phew, that was close. Look, there's Big V Rock.
We're almost there.
And if it wasn't for that river ride, we wouldn't have found Big V Rock.
Listen, someone's in trouble.
Braveheart to the rescue! Charge! Whoa! Yeah!
How's the water, Braveheart?
Ha, ha, ha. Very funny.
Playful Heart Funshine. It sounded like you were in trouble.
We were just playing a joke on you.
As usual.
Calling for help when you don't need it is no joke, Playful Heart.
What's that?
Relax, Lots of Heart. It's only an owl.
Of course, an owl. What else could it be? Oh, sorry.
Well, maybe I shouldn't be telling you this, but we're right near Scary Swamp. Legend has it that Scary Swamp is the home of the swamp monster.
Oh.
Now, this swamp monster is said to be 10 feet tall, with slimy green hair and long, sharp teeth. Once in a while, the monster would leave the swamp and visit the forest. There, the swamp monster would wait until some unsuspecting camper passed by. Then he'd jump out and gobble them all up.
Oh! Sorry.
Pass it over here, come on! Watch out behind you. All right, I got it. Okay, I got it. Come on, over there. Here, thanks. Okay, I got it. Watch out, to the left, I got it. Okay. All right. Oh, no, someone behind you. Pass, quick. Okay, got it. Here. Okay, here, come on, run faster. I am, I'm running as fast. Oh. Hi, my name's Jeffrey. Need an extra player? I don't think so. Might get your clothes dirty.
Who needs those guys? I don't want any new friends anyway.
Here, take the ball, shoot! Okay, I got it.
I am hate. I am evil. I am beastly. Oh boy, this is fun. Nohart sure is gonna be pleased when he sees how I polished his magic amulet.
Beastly!
Yahoo!
Oh, no!
Ah!
You fool! You cracked it! My magic amulet is ruined!
Yeah, I can fix it. I can fix it. Yeah, a little glue here, a little tape there.
Leave it alone!
Whoa.
If you ever touch my amulet again, I'll shrink your head to the size of a grape. I must replace the lightning crystal immediately. You
Yeah!
will remain here, Beastly, to await my return and your punishment.